Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into this because I don't have a fancy intro yet. I'm on a walk with my family and I'm listening to a ballad of songbirds and snakes, or snakes and songbirds. I totally forgot to say what it's about. So basically, it's the Hunger Games. I feel like everybody knows what the Hunger Games is, but it's uh, Coriolanus Snow. It's his story. He's not in the Hunger Games, but he is one of the first like mentors. How like Haymitch was Katniss and Peeta's mentor. Coriolanus Snow is one of the girls' mentors from District 12.
If you had to rate it right now. Oh gosh. Wait, say cheese? No, you're good. If you had to rate it right now.
3 stars.
3? Mm-hmm. Jay, don't veer off too far, baby.
I just
come on, let's go.
Genuinely like don't care what's going on. Like I feel like I just want to finish it so I can move on. It's not that I've been reading it forever, it's that I'm procrastinating it because I'm not like super interested.
Yeah.
I feel like it's the same story, like recycled again, like it's not new.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know.
There's only what, 2 movies, 3 movies?
There's 3 movies, but I don't know. I'm only halfway though, so.
Come on, duty.
Yeah.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you.
Well, what I was gonna say, I feel like I don't care to jump into the sunrise on the reaping, is that what it's called? Because I'm just so not interested right now. I just want to jump into something completely different.
I just want to see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
I take back what I said about the book because it might be like a 4 or 5 stars now. I don't think I got to the climax and like put everything together in my head when I recorded that clip because I had to sit on it for a minute and I started watching edits and piecing everything together, and I think I just love snow now. I think I'm gonna watch the movie too. Probably gonna watch it tonight. And honestly, I'm either gonna reread the book, knowing what I know now, or I might just jump into Sunrise on the Reaping. I don't know what to do though. But 4/5, I don't know, maybe 4, maybe 5 stars for sure. I just wanted to say, if this is the end of the video, I don't know if it's going to be, I'm gonna watch the movie, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to watch it on TV because I can't watch that with my son. There was too much graphic stuff in it, and I have a 3-year-old. He doesn't need to see that. So if he is up, I'm gonna watch it on my phone, and I'm not gonna be able to get a clip of that, but I highly suggest reading it. And if you did read it already, tell me if I should reread it again or if I should hop into Sunrise on the Reaping, because I've seen so many people hysterical crying all over Book Talk over that, and I am I'm a little bit scared. I don't know if I'm prepared for it because me personally, I just love a villain story. Like, it sounds bad, but like, I don't necessarily want to hear the good guy story. I want to know what made the bad guy bad. Like, I want to know what happened to him. And I feel like I always feel sympathy for the bad characters. I don't know what it is. I'm just drawn to them. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching this again.